This is the keyhole and its components, including keys and installation screws. If the walls are made of stone or concrete, we use these. These are the plugs for the holes in the frame. Unpacking the door handle and its components. This is how the door and side light will arrive at your location. Unpacking the door and side light. Connecting the door and side light. Components for assembling the side light. Bolts for connecting the side light and door, screwing the bolts into the holes using a connecting bar. Screw in 4 bars to secure the door in the doorway. Use sliders and bubble and laser levels to check the level. In this way, we secure the door in the doorway. Drill and screw bolts into all 4 bars. Insert the plugs into the holes. Install the keyhole in the door. Measure the required length and cut off the excess part. Install and screw in the corresponding part of the lock. This is the cylinder to which the door handle will be attached. The cylinder with the larger hole goes on top. The one with the smaller hole goes on the bottom. Insert the cylinder cover as shown in the video and as described in the instructions. Do this with all 4 cylinders. Measure and cut the bolt to the required size. This is how it should look after you have cut and screwed in the cylinder. Do this with all 4 screws that go on the cylinder. Insert the covers on the cylinder and install the door handle. Secure it with the screws using the key provided in the set.